Hey guys, Tim here. So, give you a little update. Over the weekend I made a spontaneous purchase, and here it is. Spin you around. No, it's not you two. It's them little guys and their mama. So it's a bantam mama with some mixed babies, and you can see the little gray guy there. He's like a silky. So she couldn't really tell me what they all were mixed from, but there's the new additions to the pen. These two are not exactly happy about it, but so far so good. One night down. Okay, let's go over to the mill. Okay, so in typical fashion of myself, I got lots of projects going on. I've cut a lot of my slab pile up. There's still some right back there to do, but I don't know where to stack it. I have so much of this stuff already good split firewood stacked up. I'm trying to open up behind my wood pile. Here's all the logs I want to try to get out of the way. I got some other logs that I need to get done. My lumber pile is stacking up, and this is where I was normally stacking some firewood, and I got a huge pile down the way, but I kind of want to take this back. I think there's some right there too. Want to get this good lumber pile back in there a little bit, and it's been proven to be a chore. So here's some of our stickers we cut last time. We got the blade tension. We got a brand new blade in. We got a nice dead ash chalked up. So we're gonna make some 1-inch by whatever we can get out of this. It doesn't really matter. The wider the better, I guess. So we'll see. It's probably it's about an 8-inch log, so I'm not expecting something crazy, but we can get some 5s out of there or something. That'll be perfectly suffice for my needs, and then we'll just keep moving on to the next one. Some of these have little wows in them, so you gotta take into account. And that one's I don't know. I never really cut a dead ash that had lost all its bark already. I'm probably gonna find out that I don't want to, but that's what it's all about, right? It's only the cost of a blade if it eats it up. Down here is some little beech trees, I believe. I don't know if I'm gonna cut those up or just cut them for firewood. And then we got some bigger ash over here. I am kind of excited about like this one here. It's got lots of branches, so this is towards the top of the tree. I'm hoping there's some figure in this, which would be cool. And then the same with this guy here. He's got a lot going on. There's an old branch there, some stuff up in here. Maybe we'll get a little bit of figure out of this wood. It's not real long. There's probably only about 5 feet or so long. So this one might be pretty cool. But man, look at all the sand from getting them drug out. That's just a blade killer right there. So alright, I might have to get the pressure washer going or something, clean these off. But this is kind of way down the line. It's the last log. I don't think we're making her there today with the amount of time I have. So let's get going after this. Alright, so this is what I found out about my belt slipping, is I believe my clutch is starting to get weak. So let's see, let me spin you around here. I had gone over to grab my instruction manual, and on the way back I had looked in here for some reason, and I seen a piece of metal laying there, which there, it's focusing. You can see it's snapped off, kind of looks like a cast kind of metal, but then it's also smooth, and up here it's wore. So I'm guessing how that's worn, but I bet it's one of the pads in there that grip on the clutch, because here is the clutch assembly, and if we lay this like so, I would say that it matches up. It does. It still looks like there was some life in it, so I don't know what's really going on with all that. The belt tension here was good. I know that I torqued my blade tension down. I had ordered, just so I called them up and ordered a new clutch. So that's going to be $100 bill, and I don't know, that when they get it in 2 weeks or something, then I might get it. So it might be a process. So hopefully I can keep on milling. I'm just going to start going slower through my wood, and hope all is well. Alright, so I'll there's our first cut with our beech. Doesn't look like anything spectacular, so I don't know, I might just cut this one up and then reevaluate. Alright, just put the slabs back up here. I thought they were really neat looking. I think they turned out pretty cool. The only downside is they need to get dried, and hopefully some of that comes out of there. Yep, I think that's pretty neat grain there. It's a very white colored wood to me, and it has that dark tone in it, so alright, we'll keep going. Well, alright guys, there's the pile of wood. I'm done for the day. Ordered a new clutch. It'll get here in a few weeks. I'm gonna keep chugging along, but we'll catch you on the next one.